The year of 2007 and 2008, the year of financial crisis that we still remember today, and the collapse of USA's great investment bank Lehman Brothers had a cascading effect over the world's economy. Hello everyone, it is me Preksha N and I welcome you to my channel. In this particular video, we will be discussing what is going on with Credit Suisse and what effect it can have further. So basically, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do it now. For those who don't know, Credit Suisse is one of the world's largest investment bank, originated from Europe. This particular bank expanded over 50 countries. It actually made its asset under management till $1.1 trillion and made a revenue of $22 billion last year itself. But what actually we are seeing today is that this company has lost its position into the market meanwhile. Let us have a look what is actually going on with this company. So before that, what services this company provide? This company actually provides wealth management and financial services, and along with that, it is also a world investment bank where it provides investment opportunities for different companies starting from an IPO to an exit. In this way, they are actually acting as an investment bank for many companies. And in its home country, it is also providing basic bank services like making an FD or taking a loan. So basically, this bank is also under SIFI category. SIFI is systematically important financial institutions. So basically, this category refers to those companies or insurance companies or investment banks whose failure can actually lead to a financial crisis all over the world. So this category is given by FSI, that is Financial Stability Board, and according to it, this company comes into that category. So as per today's situation, it is an alarming zone. Just 1 year back, this company had a market capitalization of more than $22 billion, which dropped down to today at $10.4 billion. The stock price of this company fell by 60% in just 1 year itself, which definitely says that the company has lost its market capitalization into equity area. Along with that, this company has a great rate of CDS. CDS stands for Credit Default Swap. CDS is a kind of insurance which protects the bank from the default of the borrower's repayment of loan. For an example, if I am a borrower from the bank and in case I'm not able to repay the loan, then I come into default category. And because I couldn't repay the loan, the bank would have taken the insurance from any other company. Of course, by paying some premium, will actually repay the loan on my behalf. So for any bank or for any company, if CDS rate is much higher, it is definitely a negative sign, and this particular value for this company of Credit Suisse is at the all-time high after 2008. If we have a look to the company's history, we can clearly see over here that company has been involved into multiple different scandals and scams because of this, which gained media attention few time back as well, and also had to give penalties because of this, which clearly depicts that the company has not been that good with its risk management and has not taken this particular thing that seriously. The second thing would be the exposure to bad loans. But before that, let me tell you the condition of the bond market all over the world. Inflation is increasing, and in order to control that, the interest rates of the bonds has to be changed, and because of which the central banks are increasing the interest rate. Through this, inflation can be controlled, but what actually is happening is that the new bonds which are issued at higher interest rate acts as a more attractive option for investors than the previous bonds, because the previous bonds were at lower interest rate, and because of which the investors think that they will get a less return. For that reason, the previous bonds are getting sold in the market today at a discounted price. So this is going to bring a great volatility of the values of like the interest rates into the bond market. The second thing was their exposure to bad bank loans, because these companies actually gave loan to many companies which further went bankrupt. Let me take an example of one. The Archegos Capital Management actually took a great amount of money from this company and was not able to repay it. They took this loan in order to invest into risky stocks and derivatives, in which they failed further and company had to shut down and finally file a bankruptcy, because of which they were of course not able to repay the loan to Credit Suisse. And in this way, this is just one example of a company who actually went through that. There were multiple different companies, and there are multiple different companies which are into similar situation where they are not able to repay the loan, and Credit Suisse is facing a big problem because of that. So this was all about Credit Suisse from my side. Let me know your views in comment section below. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel, hit that like button and do share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.